Tayo ko yung mga sagot nyo after this couple of invites from SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Buy one, get one on yellow tags at our home. Okay? Featuring the buy one, get one sofa. Okay? At our home. Our home is located at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Third level po. Okay? The sofa is called, ano nga ba yung pangalan ng sofa? Let me check. I keep forgetting. Yan. Oo. Kasi ano yun eh. You need to know para alam nyo kung alin yung naka-buy one, take one doon, no? Yan. Ito yun. The three-seater Dean sofa. Yun. When you buy a three-seater Dean sofa, kasama na yung take home mo yung Dean two-seater. Diba? O isang three-seater, libre isang two-seater. Oh. Diba? Ang tsaka-tsakal. So, visit our home, SM City Olongapo Central, third level. Okay? And if you're going to be having a special event, might as well do it at the SMX Convention Center, located at the fourth level of SM City Olongapo Central. For reservations and inquiries, of course, you may well just visit the official Facebook page of SM City Olongapo Central. Pwedeng magpa-accommodate doon, messenger, okay? Pwede ring call or text 0917-107-3363. Okay? And 8556-8888 landline number. Okay? SMX Convention Center. And join the Sining Filipina, Her Earth, Her Future art competition. Okay? Women at the forefront of sustainability. Mga babae ang pwedeng sumali, of course. This is being brought to you by Zonta. Okay? Also presented by China Bank and SM Supermalls and Airspeed. Okay? The Sining Filipina art competition for women. So submit your entries now, and to submit your entries, you may visit the official Facebook page then of SM Supermalls and all social medias of theirs. Deadline for submission of entries, February 13, 2025. Okay? Check out the Our Home Refresh Sale up to 80% off, January 6 to February 2. And the Chinese New Year, kailan nga ba? Kailan ba Chinese New Year? Huh? Teka nga, checkin ko nga. January 29 yata, no? Ang Chinese New Year. So check it out. Celebrate Chinese New Year with us at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. They got different offers for you. May mga kiosk and booths which is specially dedicated for Chinese New Year. Okay? Ang mga special events for you, Lucky Prosperity Tree, Everything Chinese Food, what else? The Everything Red Fair, Scan and Win, Lucky Ang Pao. All of those are from January 18 to 31. Plus the Lunar New Year Lion Dance, January 29 up until or January 25 rather, until January 29. Okay? The Chinese New Year at SM Central and SM Downtown. For your passport applications, new applications and renewal, the Department of Foreign Affairs is at the level 3 of SM City Olongapo Central, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And check out the savory goodness at Conti's. All right, starts at 295. The delicious combination meals. We got 4 choices. All right, check it out. Conti's is at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Also at SM City Olongapo Downtown, go to level 7, the roof deck for Fun Ventures Park. Okay? You will definitely have a great time. Lalong-lalo na yung mga kids, no? Pati na rin yung mga kids at heart. Sama na rin. Fun Ventures, once again, level 7. Top level to, top deck, roof deck of SM City Olongapo Downtown. And the Bureau of Immigration Olongapo Field Office is open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. at the level 6 of SM City Olongapo Downtown. Kaishin is now open at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Dumaan ako doon kanina, ang bango, ha? From January 18 to 31, check out the Chinese New Year promo. 20% off on their Package A, $559 na lang, and Package B, $479 na lang. Okay? 20% off. SM Home presents New Year, New Home Sale, January 1 to 31, up to 50% off on selected items. So check out SM Home today. And lastly, Conti's presents the signature pies. Okay, buy 8 pies and get 2 free. So para ka na rin bumili ng 10. May libreng dalawa. You will only pay for 8 different pies. Chicken pie, spinach and cheese pie. Also, salmon pie and roast beef pie. Yan yung mga kasama. You buy 8, get 2 free. Okay? Dati dumaan ako dun eh. Sabi ko, pwede bang kunin ko na lang yung 2 free? Hindi pala pwedeng gano'n, no? Sa buy 8, take 2. Gusto mo yung 2. Hindi pwede. Okay, and lastly, also from our home at the, again, the 3rd level of SM City, Olongapo Central ang our home. Check out the Brisbane 3-seater sofa. As beautiful as it is, comfortable, upholstered in soft chenille fabric. Okay, so check it out. It's available at our home. The stunning Brisbane sofa. Okay, those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. I'll go back now to your answers to the topic of the day, of the night, I mean. Anong day? Gabi na eh. Ayan. Again, the question, sino yung celebrity na pangarap mong maging jowa or makadate man lang, ha? Pero bago yan, shout out muna ulit kasi may mga bagong pasok, may mga dumating, you know? Si Ate Elma Robles, Madam Elma. Alright. Madam Fe, as we call her. Kamusta, kamusta? I hope you're doing fine and the rest of the Robles family as well. Okay? Pati na rin si Kuya DJ Cyberbugs, Edwin Bagang. Welcome to the live stream. Ayan. Okay, I'm glad you're here. Pati na rin si Ate Michelle Villegas. Shell Villegas, happy listening. Baka gusto niyo sagutin yung katanungan natin. Pati na rin si Kuya Richard Ken Huko. Pare koy. Richard Ken. Yes, he can. Pag hindi niya kaya, hindi siya yon. Si ano yun? Richard Kent yon. Richard Kent siya. Yeah. Si Jesus Kamakam. Parang Jesus, Parigoy. Yan. Jesus. Welcome to the live stream. O, sagutin nyo na yung tanong. Dali, I'm waiting for your answers. Ha? Sino yung celebrity pangarap mong maging jowa or makadate man lang? Ha? Sabi ni Kuya Rain Rosella, good evening, Tito DJ. Kay mami po, si Keanu Reeves daw. Keanu Reeves, ha? Sumasandra Bullock ito, ha? Di ba, they're an item dati, no? They're a thing. Yeah. Pero ano lang, sa movie lang. Pero umamin sila eh. Nung years later, alam nyo sa Ellen pa pareho eh, no? Umamin yeah, na crush nilang isa't isa. Si Sandra Bullock tsaka si Keanu Reeves. Nagkaaminan. Pero nung umamin sila, pareho silang wala. Nung una interview lang ni Sandra, tapos nung sumunod, interview naman ni Keanu. Yan. Umamin si Keanu na crush niya si Ellen DeGeneres. Hindi, si Sandra Bullock. Okay, so basahin ko na nga ibang sagot. Here's an answer to tonight's topic. Hi DJ, crush na crush ko po. Sino to? Si Ding Dong Dante, sabi niya. Aagawin ko siya kay Marian Rivera. Bruha ka, mga agaw ka pa. Si Ate Nayana Gesite, sabi niya si Inigo Pascual. Uy, buti na lang si Inigo, hindi hindi yung tatay, no? Si Piolo. No, Niana, no. May nalalaman ka sa sinabi ko, Niana? Ha? And before we continue ulit, meron pa ulit tayong announcement, ha? Gear up for the 2025 season opener of Triathlon Philippines. So mark your calendars for the 2025 National Age Group Triathlon in Subic, happening January 25 to 26, 2025, of course. Chase your personal best and experience the thrill of the swim, bike, and run courses in this highly anticipated race of the year, open to athletes of all level from under 6 to over 60. Ayan, okay? So check it out. Naku, malapit na pala, no? Media partners. Hindi ba kasama yung K5 News? Sama kami. Ayan, so our friends at the SBMA Tourism Department is inviting all of you to catch all the action. The National Age Group Triathlon in Subic happening January 25 to 26. Malapit na, no? January 22 na tayo ngayon. That means this coming Saturday and Sunday na. Ayan. If you wanna catch all the action, the NAGD, National Age Group Triathlon, January 25 to 26 at the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Speaking of Subic Bay Freeport Zone, congratulations to SBMA Labor Department. They celebrated today their 12th anniversary. Wow! Yung kanilang radio program called Paggawa at Iba Pa. Kasama po tayo sa pioneer dyan sa programa na yan na laging umiere tuwing Wednesday. Ayan. So congratulations sa 12th anniversary. 12 years na, no? Grabe. Tagal na ng program na yan. Naging doctorate na. Again, happy 12th anniversary. Paggawa at Iba Pa is brought to you by Mami Instant Noodles. Huwag niyong kainin. Simula pa nung time ni nag-start yan during the time of then Department Manager Attorney Roy Pastor Jr. Tapos and then it went on, it continued up till now with our now Department Manager Attorney Melvin Luminarias Barrias da Pogi. Parang si DJ Tommy G. At parang si Sir Ding Opolento, tsaka si Sir Romel Aquino din. Tsaka si Sir Orchi. Sino pa ba? Si Augusto Jorge Lacasad. Si Loniel. Si yung mga ano to, ume-ere, si Sir Ruel. Yeah. And si Sir Beloria. I forgot his first name. And sa mga babae naman, si Ma'am Amy, of course. Yeah. Amy De Macali. Yan. Si Ate Lori. Si Pricel. Si Jocelyn. Si Ate Angelina. Ayun, wala akong makalimutan. Magagalit sa akin itong mga tupatay. Yung mga nalimutan ko, kung may nalimutan man ako, pinapatawad ko na kayo. Basta lahat ng SBMA Labor Department, congratulations. And happy 12th anniversary sa inyo, okay? And also once again, ang lahat ay iniimbitahan para sa K5 Zumbak-Bakan Zumba Competition. Kaya Zumbak-Bakan, by 88.7 K5 News FM and in partnership with